Alright, so I haven't been filming as much lately, but it's because like I said, there's like nothing really going on. But today was important because today we hit the halfway day, and that's basically means that we don't have half as much days left, but it was 3,000 miles all the way across, and we've already done 1,500, so we're getting closer to getting to St. Lucia, probably like another 9 days at the speed that we're going right now. Yeah, we're doing pretty good. We are not motoring at all. We just have sails up. And yeah, we're doing pretty good. And this is the guy that went up the mast the other day that I was talking about.
Hello.
This is Hobby.
How are you? We are here now. We passed the middle of the trouble. We have a good wind. We are making like 7 knots. And we are all ready to follow the trouble and stay.
Yes. Alright, so just letting you know, we're in the absolute middle of the Atlantic Ocean, and this is by far the closest person we've seen. Right there. Closest person we've seen like since the start. Alright, we have another fish on the line. It's a mahi-mahi. It's coming in right now. Right now the sun's setting. It's just very pretty. Very pretty sunset, but we're gonna catch a fish.
Yep. You think I guess I got 4. Wait, hold on.
Oh, pretty!
Neil!
Oh my god!
No!
What happened?
Sorry.
It's gone? No!
It's all good. Don't step on the hook. It's all good.
What happened?
It's okay.
Wait, what happened?
We had him hooked, but I think when he hooked him, he spit out the hook right when he hooked him.
We lost it right in the thing. Alright, today is day 14 of the Atlantic crossing. We are just sailing right now. Alright, so today is day 15 of crossing the Atlantic. We are going pretty fast. We're going 6.5 knots right now. If we maintain 6.5 knots, we should get there in like 6 days, which is pretty close. We actually only have like 920 miles left because we broke 1,000 yesterday. We've already gone 2,000 miles on this trip, which is crazy. It's more than, yeah, it's just, wow. Currently we have 2 sails up, our Genoa and our Code Zero over there. We took down the main because it was just flapping, so we're going wing on wing. In the meantime, I've been reading books. And yeah, everything's pretty chill. We might make Christmas cookies today, since it's getting close. And yeah, everything is good. Guys, we found dolphins. so a squall is coming, and it actually is already here. And the waves, there's huge waves and it's raining. And Alright, the squall went behind us. Everything is back to normal. We are 412 miles away from St. Lucia, and we keep just making progress. It's crazy. It happened like 5 seconds ago, but we just broke 100 miles left. Now we have 99.56 miles left, which is crazy because that means we're almost there. And if you even look at the map, look, it's us 100 miles away from St. Lucia. We're almost there. So I just woke up. It is 2:30 a.m. right now. We are currently 10 miles away from St. Lucia. And if you go outside, you can actually see the land and like the lights. And you're now going to the Anchorage, not the marina, because it's just very windy, and we'll just do in the morning when we can actually see stuff. So we're now in the marina. We've been here for the past few days. I'm here with Seth right now. Don't say hi.
Hello.
Okay, good. But one of our other friends, Jacques, like I mentioned, the sailing with Jacques, he is arriving in like 2 minutes. Seth's tracking him on his phone. Not his phone, his mom's phone, girl. But yeah, he should be getting here soon. We're gonna greet him.
Oh. No, I thought you said beating.
A few seconds ago, she was pulling my hair. She was trying to pull my hair out.
Say hi. Hi. Say I love you. I love you.
What's your name?
Monica.
Oh, your name's Monica. And then right on the other opposite side of me is Uno, the boat I was talking about with sailing with Jacques. They just arrived, which means almost all the kid boats have arrived. There's 2 boats left called Tempest and Epona 1111.